Hi guys, welcome back to Tech with Nuang. Today I am going to talk about another hacking trick called ransomware. So what is this ransomware? Literally, when a hacker demands a ransom to give you access back to your files, device or any other thing like that is ransomware. Imagine you turn on your computer one day and all your files, your photos, your documents, everything are locked. You can't open anything, and on your screen there's a message that says, "Pay us money or you will never get your files back." How do people get it? Most of the time, this is not a crazy hacking trick. It can be a simple mistake. Click a link in a fake email. Open an attachment that looks like a normal file. Download software from a site they shouldn't trust. One important thing, this type of attacks, ransomwares, don't try to hit regular people. Their targets are hospitals, schools, even big companies. Their only purpose is demanding ransoms. This is not a fun game. So, what are the things we can do for protecting ourselves from ransomwares? Here are the things we can do. Backup your files. Don't click on suspicious links or attachments. Keep your apps and computer updated. Use strong passwords. So, what we can do if you have been already attacked? Disconnect your device from the internet right away. Don't panic and pay immediately. Paying doesn't always get your files back. Report it and get help from someone who knows cybersecurity. So that's all about ransomware. A few steps, a few habits can protect you from most of this type of attacks. Would you like to collect this type of tech knowledge? Subscribe my YouTube channel. Follow my TikTok, Instagram and Facebook page, and don't forget to like, share and comment your ideas. Bye.